Tianjin Cooper Electric Power Technology Co. Ltd manufactures a wide variety of transmission, distribution, substation, OEM and telecommunications products used by utilities. Our products are used in the construction, transportation, gas and water industries. Products include construction and switching product stores, insulators, arresters, whole line hardware, and cable accessories. In addition, TTF is a world-class global provider of high-quality overhead line hardware, transmission hardware, distribution hardware, conductors, insulators, cutout switches, anchoring and grounding products. TTF has a long-established tradition of excellence in our marketplace. Our size and ability, combined with our commitment to meeting the different needs of our customers, has provided us with client relationships that span many years.